Good day, everyone. Today, let us discuss about polynomial functions. Polynomial function is generally expressed in the form p of x equals a sub n times x raised to n plus a sub n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus hanggang sa makarating tayo ng a sub 2 times x squared plus a sub 1 times x plus a sub 0. Where n is a positive integer, nasan ba yung n natin? Exponent ng variable x and sub ng coefficients. Pero usually, ito yung n na exponent ng variable x. N must be a positive integer. A sub 0, a sub 1, a sub n are real numbers which are called coefficients. So, nasaan ba yung a sub 0, a sub 1? So, ito yung mga coefficients ng x or ng variable x, numerical coefficients. Next, a sub n times x raised to n. So, ito yung makikita sa first or the first term in the given function. It is the leading term. A sub n is the leading coefficient. So, yung coefficient ng x raised to n, that would be the leading coefficient. And a sub 0 is the constant term. So, makikita sa a sub 0 nandun sa dulo, yung walang kasamang letter x. And a sub n must not be equal to 0. So, si a sub n, which is this one, yung nasa unahan, or coefficient ng x raised to n, it should not be equal to 0. Another thing about polynomial function, the polynomial function is said to be in standard form if they are written in decreasing powers of x. So, paano natin malalaman na yung given na polynomial function ay naka-standard form? I-check natin yung mga exponents. Yung exponent ng variable x, kailangan daw in decreasing power. So, from pinakamataas na exponent up to constant. The largest exponent within the polynomial determines the degree of the polynomial. Other than p of x, a polynomial function may also be denoted by f of x or y. So, ibig sabihin, instead of using p of x, pwedeng ang makita nyo sa given ay f of x like this one. Or, kung hindi man makita yung dalawa, pwede namang y equals ang makikita natin. And lastly, polynomials may also be written in factored form and as a product of irreducible factors. Ibig sabihin, a factor that can no longer be factored. So, example natin, y equals x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed minus 13x squared minus 10x. So, ito yung given na polynomial function. This can be rewrite in factored form as y equals x times x minus 5 times x plus 1 times x plus 2. So, pwede nating i-revisit ang ating mga videos or yung mga previous videos natin about factoring para makuha natin yung factors ng polynomials. Now, let us consider the given polynomial functions and fill in the table below. So, meron tayo dito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns and then 2 rows. So, let us try number 1. The given polynomial function is y equals 3x cubed plus 2x minus x raised to 4. So, ang kailangan natin gawin is to rewrite it into standard form. So, remember, pag standard form, naka-arrange ang mga terms in decreasing powers of x. So, hanapin muna natin ang may pinakamataas na exponent. So, yun ang una nating ilalagay. The highest exponent here, itong part na to, negative x raised to 4. So, yun ang una dapat na nakasulat. Followed by, sunod sa exponent na 4 is exponent na 3. So, followed by positive 3x cubed and then positive 2x. So, tingnan nyo yung exponent, 4, 3, 1, and that's it. Naka-arrange na siya. And this is now the standard form. Next, let us determine the degree. The degree is the largest exponent in the given polynomial. So, ibig sabihin, the degree is 4. Next, the leading coefficient. The leading coefficient is the coefficient of the expression with the highest exponent. So, ang highest exponent natin ay 4. So, alamin lang natin kung ano yung coefficient dito. And that is negative 1. Yung number na kasama ng x dito ay negative 1. Next is the leading term. Leading term, kung saan matatagpuan si leading coefficient at yung degree. So, yun yung leading term natin. So, it means the leading term is negative x raised to 4. Okay, let us try another one. Number 2, y equals x times x plus 1. What is the standard? So, in this case, the given is in factored form. So, ang gagawin lang natin kapag in factored form, syempre, i-multiply natin. So, by distributive property, x times x ay x squared, but don't forget to write y equals. And then, x times positive 1 is positive x. So, yun na. Ito na ang ating standard form. Now, identify the degree, the highest exponent. We have 2. The leading coefficient ng x squared is positive 1. The leading term, kung saan makikita tong dalawa na to, we have x squared. And that's it. Thank you for listening.